Hi everyone, this is Dave and welcome to another video in my Making Music video series. This is the Native Instruments Maschine MK3, very kindly supplied to me by Dawson's Music. I bought this with my own money, but they offered me superb customer service. I want to give them a big shout out and recommend that you check out a link to their website down in the video description area. So this is my second look at the Maschine MK3. We're going to explore some of the controls, various buttons and how this works, and hopefully you'll see a little bit of progress as I'm becoming more experienced using this. Let's take a closer look. So we're going to have a closer look, a little bit of an explore about how it's possible to put together a simple beat. Now I am still a learner, so be kind to me in the comments. This is in browser mode at the moment, so we can look through the various kits available. I've got it set to kits in the software rather than the whole bank of instruments and samples. Okay, let's narrow this down and just go into here. I actually like the sound of this one, so let's go with that. So that's now loaded into the pads and we're going to arranger mode, and now this is going to interact with the Maschine software. So I think I'm going to use these two for the first bit. So if I push record and play, it should count me in, and then I can lay these down as trigger points within the track that I'm recording to. So not too bad timing. And then this will keep looping through until I push stop. Now I want to just practice putting in maybe this. So I'm not going to record, I'm just going to play back. Not liking that. That's better. So this time we'll record and I'll add this sample in. There you go, perfect timing again, I don't think. But we want to try something a little bit different, so we're going to go into keyboard mode. Actually, back to pad mode, and we'll select this one first. Oh, I like that right at the end. We'll go with this one. And now I can play this as though it's a keyboard. So we're going to push the two buttons again. So we're making some progress, but let's just jump over to the screen because I'm not liking some of the beats. There's a beat that's out that's really not impressing me. So let's take it off of here and push play. that one. So this one here just needs to shift over a bit. Let's try that. And then we also need this one to move over a tiny bit as well. And then this one here, which we can hardly see, we just need to make a little bit longer if we can. Or what we can probably do is delete this one and then copy this one and paste it in here. Let's see how that sounds. So although that doesn't sound absolutely fantastic, it's okay. You know, I'm making progress. I'm learning how to use this and the software at the same time, and also getting a little bit of rhythm in there as well. I like the fact that if you've got something out of time, you can either auto quantize it, or you can go in to the software as you saw me do there and just move things around a little bit. I'm just really looking forward to spending a lot more time with this for the next time you see it in the video, and hopefully I'll be able to create something that sounds a lot better. I'm really loving my time with this piece of gear so far. I'm going to spend a lot more hours on it though, because there's a lot to learn, and to be honest, it's quite a steep learning curve, but I'm thoroughly enjoying the creative process. Check back again soon to see how I'm getting on with this in a future video.